Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, I have conducted a live session of this chapter. So, we have discussed about consumption function and the meaning of propensity to consume. But I still feel that this video is necessary to make you understand once again about what do you mean by propensity to consume or APC. Then we will move ahead to marginal propensity to consume. See, I told you that it's nothing but a relationship between consumption and national income. But to make you understand about APC, I'm just meant to say अपनी इनकम का हम कितना पार्ट कितना पोर्शन कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं दैट इज़ एवरेज प्रोपेंसिटी टू कंज्यूम. I have also written that it represents the willingness of the households to purchase goods. यानी हमारी कितनी चाहत है goods and services को purchase करने की at a given level of income. All right. Now this is the formula of APC, that is consumption upon income, and the definition is derived from its formula only. It refers to the ratio of consumption expenditure to the corresponding level of income, that is Y. Now I have told you about the properties of APC, so I will show you how it relates to the schedule of APC, where I have shown you APC equals to 1. ये कब होता है? जब कंजप्शन और इनकम बराबर होते हैं. APC इज़ ग्रेटर देन 1 जब हमारी कंजप्शन भी ज़्यादा हो हमारी इनकम से. APC इज़ लेस देन 1 जब हमारी कंजप्शन कम हो जाए और हमारी इनकम ज़्यादा हो जाए. APC falls with increase in income. APC can never be zero. APC cannot be zero because at certain level of income we are always consuming something, and that is known as autonomous consumption. So I gave you this schedule yesterday to find out the questions of this. So let's see how we can find out this. First level of income is 0, but our consumption is 40. That means that is an autonomous consumption, and that is derived from our past savings. So APC C divided by Y is become nothing because we have nothing in our income. 100 and 120. 120 divided by 100, then it is 1.2. Now what do you mean by 1.2? That means if I'm earning 1 rupees but I'm consuming of something more than my income, that is of 1.2. और ये 20 rupees कहाँ से आए थे? हमारी past savings में से. Now income is 200 and consumption is also 200. That means 200 divided by 200 equals to 1. और हमने देखा है हमारा फर्स्ट पॉइंट है APC इक्वल्स टू 1, और ये कब है? जब हमारा कंजप्शन और इनकम भी बराबर है. नेक्स्ट, इनकम 300 बट कंजप्शन 280. 280 डिवाइडेड बाय 300, दैट इज 0.93. लास्ट, income 400, consumption 360. 360 divided by 400 is 0.90. ओके अब हम ऊपर वाली प्रॉपर्टीज़ देखेंगे और नीचे देखेंगे. APC 1 हुआ, हमने देखा कंजप्शन इनकम बराबर थे. APC इज़ ग्रेटर देन 1. 1.2 हुआ, कब हुआ? जब हम कंजप्शन ज़्यादा कर रहे थे इनकम से, वो भी ऊपर लिखा हुआ है. APC इज़ लेस देन 1, ये कहाँ पे हुआ? 0.93, 0.90, कम होता चला गया है ना. So this point is also, but APC can never be 0 because of the autonomous consumption. Thank you everyone. We will learn about MPC in the next video.